Giada Arroyo is a talented Filipino actor, singer, and model born on February 23, 1996, in Manila, Philippines. He's best known for being a former member of the popular Filipino band The Juans. He gained fame as a runner-up in GMA's Mr. Pogi 2012 and ABS-CBN's Gandang Lalaki, Kuma career. His notable works include Eat Balaga, It's Showtime, Wattpad Presents, and films like 100 Poems for Stella. Jods also starred in lead roles, including the Vivamax film Papahan alongside Tiffany Gray and Rob Guinto. He's definitely making waves in Philippine entertainment.
Jaira pangalan niya.
Ito naman, di mabiro. Joke lang yun, alam ko naman. Yung lababo nga talaga tong pinsang ko. Oo. Totoo ba yun?
Yung alin?
Yung amoy imbongal yung hininga ko.
Why are you here?
I came to see you.
Sige, samahan ko lang si Vivian pabalik ng resort niya.
Sir, brother.
Paano? Kita-kits bukas yan.
Bukas.
Vic? Para saan pa?
Nakausap ang mga kainuman niya kapon. Tanghali pa lang daw at hanggang gabi. Nagiinuman sila.
Di ka ba talaga makikisama? Isasangkot kita, pati ang buong grupo mo dito sa... Para sa'yo, mga men. Snort.
Ikaw lang ata yung anti-vaxxer.
Ibang issue to, no? At ikaw nga dyan yung may issue, malala. Problema ba yung AirPods mo sa AirMine? Yung gagawin mo yun, yung kukontrolin niya lahat. Ba dun? I mean, kung ayaw talaga sa kanya na... Jab, jab, straight, down. Hey! Okay, jab, jab, straight, hook.
Wala rin naman akong gagawin na. At tapos ko na rin shoot yung mga content ko. Namiss na rin kita.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Ayun na lang ang unang mag-refresh.
Hindi naman tinatawagan.
Tawag doon, Superstar Protection. Amoy.
Ilang taong si Elise? Saya ka na? Kung ayaw mo na, edi...
Pwede naman, kaso these are only for serious cosplayers and I'm not sure you have the guts to do it.
Bar 1 from 2. Ano na plano mo ngayon?
Ayun na naman.
Tol. Uti, hindi umurong ethics mo.
Gago seryoso kasi, pre.
Seryoso din.
Seryoso, masakit. Masakit. Sa'yo kaya mangyari yun. Nakagago eh. Nakakapaliit eh. Alam mo yung nakakatanggal ng pagkalalaki.
Ako ba makita yan?